I have the bracelet I made, not really made at Dollar Tree, but the product from Dollar Tree. Check that video out, link below. So today I'm going to review the chocolate is KitKat. You're like, well, I know that candy, chocolate. I never tasted it before. This is chocolate, milk chocolate, but there's also white chocolate KitKat. I never tasted that. The price is 99 cents. So now, let me show you the nutrition facts. Kind of hidden again. Nutrition facts and the ingredients. Now let's open it. It's gonna get pretty big, so since I can't eat this all on my own, I'm gonna give half to my dad. Hopefully there's 2 bars. Hopefully. Nope, it's 1 big bar. 2 bars is better because then just cut it in half and just easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, a broken half. Out you go. There's another bar inside. So we're gonna cut this bar in half too. Now I can eat this half and my father's gonna eat that half. But first, it says KitKat. So if you guys don't know KitKat, hopefully you guys do, I'm gonna show you the inside. Little mini bites. Your turn, Dad. It's time to eat. It's sticky chocolate. It's milk chocolate, so it's gonna be yummy. I love milk chocolate better than dark chocolate and mint chocolate. My father likes it too. I never knew my father would like it because from, when I was literally 0 years old until this age, I thought my father never liked sweets. And chocolate especially. The only sweets he eats, although he kind of eats it reluctantly, is ice cream. I was like, okay, so my father doesn't like sweets that much. I like saltiness better than sweets. But from literally today, about 15 minutes ago, I knew my father liked KitKat. See, you're learning things every day, even if that person might be your parents. Yum. A little connection. A part that my father didn't eat. I'm not gonna eat it, but I need to save some for my dad. Sorry for a little beep beep. My dishwasher's finished. Funny house stuff going in around my head. If you guys know the candy Twix, I said in link above, not below, link above. I said in the video that it looks like it has wafers inside, but actually it's kind of airy cookies. This is the real wafer. Let me try to zoom up. I was gonna eat it in my mouth, but anyways, my father's turn. So that's actually really it. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Quickly bye. Bye.